You got it stuck? Okay, slow down. Slow down. Baby, slow down. Let me get it. Okay, come here. Slow down. And there it goes in the creek. And she's gonna get wet. You don't want to get wet, do you? You'll be really cold. She's looking at me like, why aren't you getting it? Get it, girl.